Alright, what's up guys? Mr. Dan and Harry here in the Hot Wheels room. The light's not perfect. We're just going to go forward with this video though. Got a couple things I wanted to get out. Let's see. Let's start over here. First, we got our Avengers weekend coming up, right Harry?
Mm-hmm.
Our whole family's going to see the Avengers. So I thought it'd be cool to do some Avengers racing in the next couple weeks. So I'm going to start off with something unusual. A Versus pack from Maisto. You might not have seen these before. And then we got, I told Kingdom Hotwheels, great channel by the way, check it out. I was going to race this Track Stars 5-pack to see if I came up with the same winner that they did. I got some monster trucks we're going to race. And how are we going to do that? We're going to use this track adapter from 3D, well, you know what? Let's find out who. 3D Botmaker. I couldn't remember. Great guy. I bought a lot of his products before, including these double connectors, which I've actually, that's the yellow you see there, which I've used to actually make my modified scale quarter-mile track. But he's come out with these extender pieces for the 6-lane raceway finish line, so that way you don't have to do what I did, which was take a saw to the bottom of the finish line. Because what I wanted to do, I had to flip that around and renumber the lanes, because I wanted to use this for the finish line. I'm glad I did it, but the great thing about this is you can adjust it, you can put it anywhere. It's got the little feet down there, and these pieces here make it a little taller, so you can run other brands under it and monster trucks. Harry, and it's got a screw hole. And by the way, also check out Hot Wheel Racer Mike's channel. He's also unboxed these. And the 3D Botmaker, he does a great job. Everything comes bubble wrapped in these bags. Everything's labeled. He does a great job. Pick that other piece up, Harry. The other piece. Yeah. Pick that up. Show everybody. That's a screw hole. There, you can put a screw through there if you really need to make it permanent. Go ahead and attach that to the other side. And these have notches, so it only goes in one way, so you cannot do this wrong. Goes right in. See that the notch lines up? You gotta force it a little bit because it's got that little bubble, that little there you go, that little divot. It pops out, it makes it tight. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is, normally this is a 4-lane track, but I threw a couple short pieces on. So we're gonna put that over the track, Harry, slide it right up to here. Right up to here, because we're going to run 6 at a time, which is something we normally don't do. And we'll be right back. Oh my remote control track. We got Epic Fast, Quick and Sick, Street Shaker, Time Trekker, and Circle Trekker. Alright, I'm going to back up. I'm going to let Harry do the honors. And as I said, normally we go to the end there, which is a scale quarter-mile. We're going to go a little shorter so we can get all 6 through. All right, Harry, ready? Whenever you're ready, good start.
3, 2, 1.
Winner! Lane 1!
All right. Epic Fast, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, so we said Epic Fast, but it was actually Lane 1 that was the winner, so that was Circle Trekker. But now we switched everything around. He's in Lane 6, Epic Fast is in Lane 1. And we'll see who takes it. Ready, Harry? Go ahead, bud.
3, 2, 1.
Lane 6. And Circle Trekker is the winner. Okay? So there you have it. Circle Trekker is the winner. If you're curious to see who won the Kingdom Hot Wheels race, you'll have to go to his channel. It's a great channel. They got 5-pack races on Fridays. I can't wait to go and watch today's race. Their track is a little shorter, so sometimes that makes a difference. Which is the great thing about this. Go ahead and slide that back and forth there. Slide it down a little bit.
This one?
Yeah, slide it. Yeah, keep sliding. Slide it down. What we're going to do in a moment, this is the great thing. You can really experiment with this. That's one of the things I love to do. All right, here we go. In lane 2, we got the Iron Man car which is called Street Speeder. And in lane 5, we got the Hawkeye car, which is called Dark Bird. All right, hold on, bud. Let me get ready. Whoops. Go ahead, bud. Whoa. Go ahead. Oh my gosh. All right, go. Good, put it on. Alright guys, we're just putting the extensions on. Harry's finding out it's a little bit tight, but it's going to stay on that way. There we go. Alright, let's put it right about here, bud. Let's take a look at the lineup. We've got, with the ramp, the Stars and Stripes for Max D, Stars and Stripes edition. Jurassic Attack with the flag series. Earthshaker with a crushable car, and Megalodon from the flag series. Go ahead and take Jurassic Attack and Max D up there, buddy, and we'll get started. Here's line. We got Jurassic Attack in lanes 5 and 6, and Max D in lanes 1 and 2. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Alright. So I guess that left wheel got to the finish line first by a millisecond. So Jurassic Attack takes the first heat. Take it back to the top, Harry. Switch lanes. All set, bud.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Jurassic Attack takes it. Is there an echo in here? Alright. I think I'm going to slide it back a little bit, which is a great feature of this track extension here. Alright, buddy, ready?
Yep.
So now we got Earthshaker, lanes 5 and 6. Megalodon in lanes 1 and 2. Megalodon, lane 1 and 2. Alright, you ever read that book, Harry? About the Megalodon, Meg?
No.
About the giant shark? There's a movie coming out, of course. It's a pretty good book. Anyway, so we switched them up. Megalodon took the first one. Right, Harry? Did it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alright. It's a showdown of the two creatures, Megalodon and Jurassic Attack. We got Megalodon in lane 5 and 6, Jurassic Attack in lane 1 and 2. Go ahead. Alright, Megalodon. Alright, this is for the finale. Go ahead, bud. Alright, lane 2. So Megalodon is the champ of these 4 trucks, for whatever that means. Alright, we're going to try something different now. Hold on. Alright, we're going to try something different. Just for fun, we got Instigator and Megalodon. We also got Shark Bite there, keeping Megalodon company. Don't think he's going to keep up. But, of course, as you can see, they're in the middle lanes. So when they get to the end, they're going to have 1 tire in and 1 tire out. So we'll see how that works. I have no idea. That's what this is all about, experimenting and having fun. All right, let's go, bud. Oh, Instigator. Some kind of an Instigator. What happened to Shark Bite? Well, we know he's not. Put Shark Bite up there, like halfway up the track, to show everybody the moving feature there, in case people don't know. He's got that opening mouth feature. Oh, man, he really... Oh, I think he tips over when he gets down there. All right, just for fun, one last Avengers race. We've got another Maisto. This is obviously an old one, 97 Corvette. That's Captain America. We got that Maisto Iron Man, Street Speeder, I think it was. Captain America character car. That's Nitrium. Look at that face. I love what they did there. That's the Iron Man Nitrium from the Avengers series. $1 car. We got that, what was that thing called? Dark Bird for Hawkeye. And then we got our broken Hawkeye. Look what we just noticed here. A Hawkeye character car. Alright, let's see who takes it just for fun. Just for fun. Whoa!
Oh.
We turned it off?
Yeah, I guess.
I had this in my pocket. I had the starting line in my pocket. When I walked away, I activated it. It's like a comedy of errors. Let's try it again. Alright, guys. Catch you later.